Hey tech enthusiasts, get ready to dive into the future of smartphones with the Samsung S25 Ultra. Is it worth the hype or just another upgrade? Let's find out. Picture this. We're all buzzing about the S24 Ultra, a technological marvel that pushed the boundaries of what we thought possible in a smartphone. Fast forward to now and... Wait, did we time travel at all? The S25 Ultra looks suspiciously familiar. Sure, it's a bit boxier, but let's be real. If this phone were a person, it'd be that friend who got a haircut and expects you to notice. But hold on to your charging cables, folks. We're about to jump into the future. Or are we? The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip is here, and it's elite. Shocker, I know. We've got some camera tweaks, a sprinkle of AI magic, and, well, that's about it. It's like Samsung decided to take a power nap instead of a giant leap forward. But where are the other pillars of 2025 tech? It's like Samsung forgot to check their calendar. Don't get me wrong, it's a solid phone. But in the world of tech time travel, we're stuck in a bit of a loop. Let's time travel back to the present. One UI 7 is giving us some serious iOS vibes. It's like Samsung went to Apple's party, took notes, and then threw their own shindig with a twist. Now brace yourselves for the plot twist of the century. The S Pen lost its Bluetooth. I know I'm as shocked as you are. It's like Samsung looked at their feature list and said, hey, let's make it ultralight. But wait, there's more. Or is there? The camera setup is basically a carbon copy of last year's. It's like Samsung's playing a game of spot the difference, and we're all losing. Let's talk AI. Samsung's thrown in some features that are supposed to be game changers, but some of them feel about as revolutionary as a flip phone in 2025. Oh, and here's a fun twist. These AI features are free until they're not. It's like getting a trial subscription to the future, but nobody knows when the bill's due. Now, let's jump to an alternate timeline where other brands exist. Shocking, I know. But in this parallel universe, phones have brighter displays, better battery life, and, gasp, lower price tags. Back to our timeline where Samsung reigns supreme in the US. They're like that one kid in class who always gets an A without trying. Why? Because the teacher doesn't know any better. Here's the kicker. For $1,299, you'd expect the best of the best, right? But it's more like the best of last year, with a few tweaks. So, here we are, stuck in a time loop where flagship phones are playing it safer than a bubble-wrapped kitten. The S25 Ultra is good, sure, but it's missed its chance to be great. In the end, we're left wondering, is this the future of smartphones, or are we just stuck in a really expensive Groundhog Day? But hey, if you're in the market for a solid, safe choice, and you got a spare $1,299 lying around, the S25 Ultra might just be your time machine to, well, last year. Remember, in the world of smartphones, sometimes the future looks a lot like the past. Stay curious and keep questioning.